Gary Abramson.
Great. What do you think about healthcare reform?
I think that the perspective that people take has been, I think what people need to do is look at what's in the best interest of the United States as a whole. If Americans as a whole are healthier, it makes the entire country stronger. If they're more educated, it makes the entire country stronger. If you're running a corporation and you have no research and development department, if you don't make sure that you have the health of your employees maintained, then your corporation's not going to be able to compete in the marketplace. And I think it's the same thing for America. If we really want to be a world superpower and be a dominant leader in everything that happens on this planet, then there's no reason that the American people, the government, should not take an interest in making sure that all of the American people are as healthy as possible to facilitate that. I think it's just common sense.
And what has been some of your reaction to seeing some of the protests at town halls?
Well, I'm not sure exactly what is necessarily behind. I understand that there are people who probably have legitimate issues with some of the things that are being proposed. I think there are people who are probably being misled by I don't know if it's necessarily propaganda, but based on some of the things that I've seen them shouting about that have no basis in reality. So I think that there's probably some underlying things that, there's people have a great fear when it comes to change, a great fear when it comes to things that displace them. And I worry that our elected leaders are hearing the loudest voices more than the most reasonable arguments sometimes, and I think it's important for them to try to disassociate from how loud somebody's shouting and focus on what exactly are they saying and weigh that, from a policy perspective, from a rational perspective, from a logical perspective, with providing the best health care to everybody in America, like I said before, to make this as a whole the healthiest nation that we possibly can.